Welcome to our prototype showcase about our idea, which is Case X. I'm the president, Jiho Lim.
And I'm the Chief Executive Officer, also known as CEO, Nehal Pandey. We made our product because everyone who has a phone has this problem,
which is overheating of smartphone. It's caused because of many apps running in the background, or bad battery, or other hardware problems, or malware infections used for longer duration, or climates of the place. The impacts will be battery of the phone overheats, and it might be bloated, or leak of acid, or phone might explode too. And battery life is reduced over a prolonged period of time due to overheating. It requires battery care, which costs a lot.
Fun. So our solution for this is our product, which is a liquid cooler mounted phone case, which slows down the deterioration of the main components of the mobile, and also it's eco-friendly and made from recyclable materials, and it allows people to connect without needing to worry about phone overheating, and this also enhances the gaming experience. So this is our product, Case X.
So basically, the blue liquid is a cryogenic liquid, such as liquid form of nitrogen or helium, and it can keep the phone as cool as possible. And the case layout is made out of bamboo, silicone, or fiber that can keep our environment safe. And also, there are lots of compatible devices that can fit this case.
This product's case is also meant for gamers, and it's very smooth, and when you touch it, you feel very nice. The case is also always cool, so when you touch it, it's always cool, not warm. Thank you for listening.